Hi there. So you want to learn how to create materials that look like eroding paint in Blender? Not a problem. Let's head over to Blender and open a shading viewport. You won't be needing all the settings of the principled BSDF shader, so let's replace that with a simple diffuse BSDF shader node. Then add a texture coordinate node, a Musgrave texture node, and a color ramp node. Now, let's set up the nodes to show three colors, one for the base metal and one for the paint job on top of the base metal. And finally, the third color will be right at the edge of the eroding paint. To make the base metal appear more shiny than the paint, let's first add a glossy BSDF node to mix with the diffuse BSDF node we already have. Then, duplicate the color ramp node. For this new color ramp node, we won't be using the colors. Instead, let's set up its alpha values to then use to control the roughness of the glossy BSDF node. Once again, duplicate the color ramp node and set up its alpha values to this time control the mix shader node. Make sure the sliding tabs on the three color ramp nodes align with each other so that the shininess of the metal does not overlap with the paint. Now, let's add some bumps to the base metal by adding a bump node that takes its height value from a noise texture node. Then, to add some brush marks to the paint, let's add another bump node, along with a Voronoi texture node and a mapping node. Set up the scale values on the Voronoi and the mapping node to get the effect of brush strokes on the paint. And there you have it. Now you know how to add erosion to any material in Blender. If you liked this video, subscribe to get notified of my weekly uploads. As for this one, thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.